didn't learn a lot this week, but what I learned mattered more than I expected. So, what I focused on this week, I started learning German. Also, this week, I really focused on my workout routine of working out not less than 3 times a week. What I worked on, I learned first the German alphabet because I can't understand words if I don't first understand how the alphabets are pronounced. I struggled with fear of what people would say. I struggled with doubt also. I doubt if I would be able I doubted if I would be able to speak German. I doubted if workout would make me more healthier, seeing that there are a lot of people living normal lives without working out. One idea that changed how I think. The idea actually was from a sermon preached today in church. It is learning to be silent. I would say silence improves productivity. When you are always speaking, you don't get to listen to the noise inside you. When you try to do something, you then start to get confused on what decision is right. As a Christian, I'm suffering from that right now. When I'm alone in a room and I try to be silent and pray, that's when I begin to have thoughts flashing through my mind. I begin to recall irrelevant scenes in my head, and at that point, my focus shifts. I begin to think of random things. My thoughts become distorted. I would sometimes be imagining something and forget and start imagining others. This is what I believe makes another huge difference between successful professionals or entrepreneurs and the struggling ones. This is the ability to silence the voice outside in order to curb the noise on the inside. If you can focus and redirect the noise within, then there's no external noise or pressure that can weigh you down. What didn't go well? I wasted a lot of time trying to do things that people validate, and I end up confusing my self worth with the need for approval. One small win, I was able to record 2 videos with these 3, and that's enough win for the week. What I'll do differently next week, I would implement the silence lifestyle. I would try not to feel silence as an awkward thing. I would take my time before I speak, not speaking out on impulse. I would think before speaking to people so as to be able to make a conversation productive. Not there yet, getting there.